Idol no, mayong buntag so Tagalog ta mga idol. So magandang English ta English. So good morning. Good morning. Good morning guys. So now we are here inside of the Chevrolet Corvette 2011 6.2 engine, okay? V8. So now this car have problem for the customer said have problem for the so the customer said they have problem in his valve lifter. He said one valve lifter not working. And now we double check what is the problem before we remove. Okay, so we quotation already for cylinder head remove. Okay, so top overhaul. Okay, so now before we remove, we check first what is the problem. Okay, so now guys, I will show you in the front. So okay, so now this is the code. I use a scanner. This is a lunch scanner diagnostic tool. So this is lunch diagnostic tool. See, lunch X43VV 2.0 2.0. Okay, so now we have a code for the engine misfire detected. So you can read guys. Okay, so yeah, okay, so body control module. So okay, so now we see we have engine misfire detected, and then we see the misfire data. Okay, so when you see misfire data, you click there. So read data stream. Okay, you go into the misfire data. Okay, so we have cylinder injector, no, not injector. We go in this history current. We go in the current. Okay, so just click this. Okay, and okay. So now this is, so we start. This is the push button. Okay, so we start. Okay, so now yes, I can feel. For now, I can feel the vibration or the misfire. So now we see where is the misfire. So now misfire current cylinder number 2. So too much. Okay, see, too much misfire. Okay, and we see another history. So all we have misfire, but this is a history. Maybe when you accelerate, now we try to accelerate. Now it's already in the parking, so we try to accelerate. So we have also in the number 5, and the number 2 is too much. If you make revolution too much, so yes. And we have also in number 5. This is current live data, not history. So now we have misfire in number 5 and number 2. Okay, oh, and also number 4. See, yes, 2, 4, 5, and number 7. Okay, but always have misfire is the number 2. Okay, so 2, 4, 5, 7. Okay, so guys, and have a check engine also. And okay, we go in the engine outside. So now guys, we are here in the front. So see, did you see? So now this is the number 2 cylinder, because this is the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, but now I remove the socket for the ignition coil. The engine not stable, no change. Okay, so when I put the same. Okay, so now we have problem for this cylinder, but before that we will check the compression and current and the spark. We do a compression test. So this is my co-workers. Okay, so now he crank in the inside. So Up. Up. Bas, bas. Bas, bas. Ha? Sala tol. So now guys, the compression is 175. Okay, 175. So no problem for the piston ring. Okay, so this the valve is closed. The valve lifter is stuck. Okay, the valve lifter is stuck, and the valve lifter is stuck. The piston is good. The piston ring is good. That's why the compression is high, because the valve is closed, not open. I think the valve lifter is stuck in the downside position. Okay, the compression is good. So now we proceed in the number 4 and number 6. Okay, so we will see if same compression or no. Now we have a 180 psi. Okay, we again. Okay, so the same. So now we proceed in the number 6. Wait, wide. Okay. So now guys, we're in the number 6. Krang. So, halas. Thank you. So now guys, the same. The compression is the same, and it's good. The compression is good, no problem for the compression. Okay, so now what is the problem? We don't know what is the problem. Okay, so now guys, maybe I'll check this injector. Maybe the injector not working. Okay, maybe the injector not working. We will check first the injector. Okay, now I return the spark plug. As you can see now, this is the spark plug for the number 2. Okay, so this is the spark plug for the number 2. So idol, darang mga idol no. So ato rin siyang ako na siyang natanggal yung valve cover. So head bolt na lang nabili na ni. O kanina dihang kuan. Bolt sa rocker arm. So sa rocker arm din mga idol sa model 14 paubos. So ingunanin ni siya mga idol, mga daan nga model. So dili pareha yahang direction sa yahang rocker arm. So, makita ninyo straight, liko, straight, liko, straight. Okay, so padong natabong kag mga idol kay ganiha akong ibaylo ang spark plug, injector. So ang yahang misfire na gihapon sa number 2. So check na lang gid na anaag ni sa valve lifter. So atangin yung mga idol, tangtang na to ni, kita na niyo, bolt na lang nabili na ni. Dara mga idol, so natanggal na tong cylinder head no. So dara yang cylinder head. Okay, so kung makita ninyo, so wala gyud na siya gapang sunog tarong. Kani wala siya ni tarog sunog. Gani akong gibalhin no gihapon no. Wala siya sunog tarong. Kani okay, kani okay. So kani wala. Okay. So gani mga idol, tanggalon pa tani. Tanggalon pa ni ihang bolt. Ug kani utso para makuha na to ihang valve lifter. Okay. So let's go. So guys, good morning. So this is a Chevrolet Corvette V8 engine 6.0. So now I remove the engine. I already removed the cylinder head because the number 2 chamber not working, and they have problem for the valve lifter. Okay, as you can see, the valve lifter and the camshaft have already damaged the camshaft for this number 2 cylinder. Okay, as you can see inside. So now I remove the engine because the customer maybe he give new parts or he give engine assembly, so as he like. But now I remove this engine for this Chevrolet Corvette. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay guys, so now I remove already. Okay, thank you guys, thank you. Okay guys, so now I'm here under the car. I make it lift. So I already removed the engine. So the engine is this side, and this is not a transmission. So the transmission guys is separate for the engine. In the front side, the place for the engine, and in the rear side, so you find the transmission. Okay, so this transmission guys is a 6L80 6-speed automatic transmission. Okay, so they only put a bell housing, a big bell housing with drive shaft inside. So you can see this is the drive shaft, go to transmission. So this is the bell housing. This is only bell housing, not a transmission, but this bell housing also connected into the transmission rear. Okay, so this is the Corvette guys. I think model 11 or 12. Okay, so this is transmission. Okay, and this is the fuel tank, 2 fuel tank. Okay, so now guys, I return everything to make it down the car, and I wait the parts for the engine. Okay.